Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be doing a little hair refresh. It's been a while since I've done a video like this and I wanted to do a really quick, easy kind of hair refresh routine for you guys. So like I said, this is definitely easier and quicker than my previous routines, but I will have those linked up in the card or down below in the description box if you guys want to check those out as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below if you have not already. And my Instagram and Twitter are in the description box down below if you guys want to go follow me over there. Without any further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So I've got here with me a dry shampoo. This one is from Playa. It is their pure dry shampoo. You guys know I usually use my Batiste, but I'm out of that right now and I've been trying this out. So we've got that. I have a little spray bottle of water. This is an empty rose water bottle. And I need to get like a proper slow mister from Amazon, but for now, we just have a little random bottle filled with water. I have my Innersense I create waves. This is just a little mini bottle. And I'm almost out of this. I need to get another one, but I do have a couple of other hairspray refreshers that I like as well. And then the last thing here is my Prose hair oil. I've been using this one lately. I mentioned in my favorites video more than my Verb one, which is crazy. I still love the Verb one, but I've been using this one a lot lately, so I'm gonna use it today. Now, normally you would think use dry shampoo first. I'm not gonna do that because I'm just gonna saturate my hair with the spray bottle anyways. I'm not gonna make it like sopping wet, but I do wanna get it pretty damp. So I guess I'll start by parting my hair down the center just to make it easier. And you can see, guys, like I barely have any definition. My hair is just frizzy at this point. So this is like third day hair or something. I'm gonna grab my spray bottle of water and just, am I in focus? Pull up the hair like this to get underneath, pull up the sleeves. Okay, so my hair is damp. It's not like sopping wet or anything, it's just a little bit damp. And I'm gonna grab my Innersense I create waves. First, actually, let's scrunch a little bit. Usually if I'm like in a hurry, I'll just scrunch at the end, but we'll scrunch in between. Now we're gonna take the Innersense I create waves. This part I will usually do over my tub just so I'm not getting the spray like all over my bathroom floor and making it sticky. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna do it right here. So I'm just gonna start on the inside. Do a decent amount of this too. I like it because it really dampens the hair and gives it like that beachy look. Then when it dries, it kind of has like a little bit of hold to it. So it's not just like a moisturizing leave-in, it actually holds your hair a bit better than that. We'll do a little bit of scrunching. And this, like I said, just makes it super easy and fast when you can just spray in your hair. Now we're gonna go ahead and just kind of lightly part the hair in the center so that we're getting it all over. All right, guys, so now my hair is scrunched and dampened and it looks a little frizzy, but we're gonna let it dry, scrunch in our oil, and that is when the magic happens, as you know. So I'm gonna let my hair dry for a few minutes and I'll be back. All right, guys, so it's been like 10-15 minutes. My hair takes longer to dry back here because I really need to get some like more hidden layers or thinning out back there. It's been a while since I've had my hair cut. But anyways, we're gonna grab my hair oil. This is like a lighter hair oil. It's not super heavy or anything. So we're gonna do like half of a pump or like half of a dropper full, maybe a little more. This one smells like almond, such a nice scent. Okay, so we're just gonna go in and scrunch. It makes such a big difference to add the oil to your hair at this point because it's just gonna add shine and definition. Take the residue and just like smooth it over the top. Okay guys, so we've got better definition, obviously. We have a lot of volume, which is just what I get with the Innersense I create waves. Now, if I were to use something like the We Dad Reactivating Mist or a leave-in or something like that, I don't find that I get as much volume. And with third day hair, I feel like my hair can look a little flat and greasy as it is. So I do like to have extra volume to my hair. I just prefer that look, but I will get more defined, like moisturized looking waves with a different product. I just like how much volume this gives me. I'm gonna add my dry shampoo now because my roots are still kind of greasy. And we're just gonna go. I feel like I can do a lot more of this because it doesn't really leave a white cast. These Playa products, by the way, smell like the Santal 33 perfume. It's really nice. Alright guys, so that helped a lot with some more volume at the root too, to balance out how much fullness we have in the length. So if you like these big, bouncy, voluminous waves for your refresh day, which is what I prefer. Now, on my first wash day, I love to have really defined, soft looking, like plump waves. But for a refresh day, I'm just not really gonna get that anyways, even if I try, and it's gonna end up kind of getting messed up. So I definitely prefer voluminous hair for my refresh day. So let me know if you guys try out this refresh routine and if you enjoy it or if it ends up working for you. Let me know in the comments down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's hair video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.